What's good? Paul here from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Thank you for checking this video out and stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Today we are hitting the Goodwill bins or the Goodwill outlet or a clearance center. Mine is pay by the pound, where you pay $1.75 per pound or $1.55 per pound if you get 20 or more pounds. We didn't hit 20 pounds today. Spent about $22. Feel free to scroll through the video. We're going to have some chapters that you can scroll through. We're going to be picking the bins, doing a little overview, and then at the end we'll show you a recap of everything we got. Got some nice pieces today, a few band t-shirts, some vintage pieces, some cool modern graphics. So yeah, see you at the bins.
Oh, that's cool. I like that, yeah. I'm going to clean it up. Oh, that's a cool graphic. It's cool for Desert Storm. That's cool, yeah. There's some good stuff. This is throwbacks. So, yeah.
So we are back from the bins. Now we show you what we got. Got some band tees, some vintage, some modern graphics. Start off with some band stuff. Justin Timberlake tour. Front and back hits. The Kiss. Do-it-yourself tank top. Nice Alice in Chains. We got Wrestling is Art. Got a vintage crew neck sweatshirt. Bad Hair Day 1994 LA Sweats on the jerseys tag. Got some vintage windbreaker. Got a Green Bay Packers long sleeve with the sleeve hit. Vintage Adidas 2004 USA Olympics. On the Gildan Dublin's Irish Pub. The Newport Blue. Vintage 2001 Provincetown tank top. The Converse button-up long sleeve. Chicago Bulls tee. Monster. Hakuna Matata. Nice nature tee with the deers in the Winterland. Mortal Kombat. Finish him. The Camp Dittmer vintage 2000 piece. Nice graphic on that one. Beautiful piece. The Van Gogh piece. Very nice. So overall I got 45 pieces, spent $22. With gas and tolls, I paid about $1.08 per piece. If we break it down like that, obviously, if you weigh it each individually by a pound, I paid more or less on certain items. The Buffalo Bills Reebok hit. But yeah, evens out to about $1.08 a piece. The Billabong Hawaii. This little simple champion tee. Guess what? Chicken butt. That's a funny one. On the Fruit of the Loom Best. Canandaigua. Vintage Stephen Barry's tag. Syracuse. On the Delta, Syracuse. On the Champion, Dallas Cowboys. On the Tough Guard, nice security piece. We got a Buffalo Sabres hockey scarf. Kind of nice pair of starter basketball shorts. We got the Star Wars pants here for Christmas on the Star Wars tag. Got and one joggers. A nice and one hit there, the pockets and the camo. Pretty sick piece right there. I like that one. And another and one basketball shorts. And finally, we got a nice essential Carhartt beanie for the upcoming winter season. So yeah, that was my haul today. Cooked pretty good. Got some nice pieces. Nothing crazy, but hey, can't always get the crazy pieces. That's how you go wrong, expecting to get crazy pieces when you go out to the Goodwill bins. You know, I expect to get $10, $15 items at most. So then when I do find a nice $60, $70, $80, $90, $100 piece or more, I'm excited. I'm never let down, you know, and I got a couple pieces in here that are going to pay for my whole trip and put me in a profit already. So I look forward to listing these and flipping them for a profit. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I got tons more videos coming your way of my daily life, thrifting, my collection, showing you what pieces I get, trips to the Goodwill. So yeah, this is Paul from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Peace.